How to manage notifications on Microsoft Teams. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage notifications on Microsoft Teams easy and fast. So all what you have to do guys is go to Teams. Now this is the home page. Go to the top corner and click on your profile picture right here, and here you will find some options. Choose the notifications option, click on it, and as you can see right here you can manage notifications, general activity. For example, as you can see, you can turn on or turn off whatever you don't want. This video, I hope it was helpful, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.